All right.
Mhm.
Here we go.
Florida does home price as well.
Yeah.
I was gonna say the same thing, but you know that, Anthony.
Florida sellers, but not Florida appraisers. And you
Right.
are now, remember, you are now in a quote unquote apprentice appraiser, what we're doing right now. You ready? So we got 14 matches. Remember our criteria? 1 mile. Here's the house. We know this is a detached property because our buyer looked at it, or we already put it up on Google Maps and we know it's a detached home, or we talked to people, we called the lead and we actually spoke to somebody. Okay. All right. And we know it does not have a basement, and we know it's a 2-story house, and we got 14 matches. So we're cooking with grease. Let's see. All right. So now here are the houses. We want to sort them from closest to our property. We know that this particular property is in a subdivision called River Overlook because we looked in the tax records, we cheated, and or the seller told us because we're going to have to list it, or we had a buyer. This works either way, and we know what our little MLS printout said. So we want to make sure these homes look kind of like what we want to look at. 2-story, okay, no basement. We can check no basement real quick because sometimes there's human error with real estate agents, right? No basement, okay. And then we want to check the next one. Is this a 2-story? Okay, I guess it is. And it has, let's double check, no basement. Boom, okay, it's just like that. Then we'll check a third one. Boom. Is it similar to ours? A little brick front, a little bit more upgraded. Is it a 2-story? Yes, people live upstairs, and there's no basement. All right, so all we'll do is say, hey, listen, let's just take the first 3 comps because that's all we need. Here's 1 inside, here's 2 outside. Let's say if they were all inside, we would take all 3 of them inside. Even though the appraiser is supposed to find 1 inside and 2 outside, but we know if he or she can get 3 inside, then there's no discrepancy when it goes to Simone, who's the underwriter. Okay, she can't say crap. All right. So 3. We click the button CMA. Boom. Now I'll walk you through it. I have mine set up automatically. If I click finish, it already has my pages, but you can do this as well. But go pages. The only thing you care about is comparables. That's the only thing you care about. We at the Anthony Thornton real estate team and Anthony Thornton training, we do not send CMAs to sellers. Why? Because that's what 97% of other real estate agents do that don't make any money. So anytime we find a group of people doing stuff, we do the opposite. We're going to send them 1 or 2 pages of it. Comparables, nobody's going to read all that stuff. We click finish. We click view CMA. This is going to be a video recorded, so you don't have to, just pay attention. Okay, well, y'all stressing over it. I see y'all writing frivolously. Okay. Video, you can watch it over and over.